Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon also. If you didn't press in the bell icon, you will not get any kind of notification from my YouTube channel. That's why you have to subscribe my YouTube channel right now. So without any late, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you want more updates from my YouTube channel, you have to press in the bell icon also. Okay, so I think you are enjoying my video series on Microsoft Word. If you don't know about my video series of Microsoft Word, you can check my playlist also. So hoping you will check that playlist, and if you are a beginner in Microsoft Word, it will be very useful for you also. And you can share this video to your family and friends also if they are also learning Microsoft Word. In that case, it will be very helpful to them also. So before we discuss about file, home, insert, design, page layout and reference menu, but today we are discussing about the review menu. It's one of the useful options to us also. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So inside the review menu, there are lots of options available. You can also see there are proofing, language, comments, tracking, changes, compare and protect sections available. But I'm starting from the proofing menu, proofing sections, and inside the proofing section there is 4 options available. So I'm typing something here where the mind is broken into many pieces. Okay, so I have typed something inside my document, and from the spelling and grammar you can check your spelling and grammar of your document. So you can see the THA is misspelled, and that's why it's telling me that it is the wrong spelling. That's why I need to change this one. So from the suggestion you can see there are lots of suggestions available, but I need to choose the THE. That's why after selecting that words you have to click in the change. See, now you can see there is a where also spelling mistake. Sorry, it means grammar mistakes. So for this I need to change this one. Now see, the PC is also mistake because the full stop it should not be like this, and I need to change this one. Now it's perfect for me. So you can also check spelling grammar using the spelling grammar, or directly you can press F7 also. Is the shortcut key of spelling and grammar. Another option is define. From the define you can use you can search lots of things about the words. See, you can see there are lots of dictionary available. You can use the Francis dictionary. You can you can download the English dictionary, and it's free also from the download. If you try to download this one, and just wait for a moment, but for this you need the internet connection, right? If you don't have the internet connection, it will take too much long time. It depends on your internet connection. It's telling me that it's loading my English dictionary, and from here you can search about the words. Just wait for a moment. It's telling me that please select a word to look up. If I select this one, and see, it's telling me we couldn't find definition for pieces. And if I try to select this one, maybe it will broken. It's also giving me something about this. See, this one is physically and forcibly separated into pieces, cracked or split. It's telling me the definition. Okay, so if you want to also if you want to also know about any kind of words, in that case you can use the define options. Another option is thesaurus available. Thesaurus is one of the useful option of Microsoft Word. From the thesaurus you can search synonyms. So if I want to search computer, just wait for a moment, it will show me. Just you have to press enter. Now see, there are lots of options available which is related with the computer, processor, CPU, mainframe, supercomputer, workstation, and lots of options available. So it's also one of the useful options. And another option available, translate. If you want to translate your document into another language, in that case it will be very useful. See, from the translate you can sorry, there are lots of options available maybe. So if you want to translate this one in the wait, there are lots of options also available. If you want to translate this one in Hindi, what happened? Okay, send. Maybe it's sending to the server, and it's maybe translating when the mic. Now see, it's translating in the Afghans, and there are lots of options available. But for this you need an internet connection, right? If you don't have the internet connection, it will not work. If you want to translate this one in the Italian, just translate. Just wait for a moment. What happened? Yeah, you can also use this one, and it's one of the amazing feature, but you need internet connection. Without internet connection, you cannot translate your language. And from the language you can set your favorite language from here. Now see, there are lots language available, but it's okay for us. And if you want to change, if you want to use your Microsoft in your favorite language, in that case you have to choose language. Sorry. And another option available, new comment. If you are working in a group, and in that case you can use new comment. Before also we discussed about the comment in the insert menu. See, there also comment available, but today also I am repeating this one. So if you want to use some comment, first of all I'll copy it. Okay, if you want to use the comment, in that case you have to click in the new comment, and from here you can give some comment. Okay, and if I want to once more, I will give another comment also, and from here I'll give another comment, right? And if you want to delete that comment, you can use this feature, delete. And if you want to go previous, next, if you want to go in the from one comment to another comment, in that case you can use previous and next. And another option, show comments. If you want to show them, or if you want to hide them, you can use this one. And another option available, track changes. If you want to track your formatting, in that case you can use the track changes. First of all, you have to make it on, and after this just wait. I will select some words, and I will increase the size of this. See, my Microsoft Word is tracking. So if I make it bold also, it will track. Now see, my track changes is tracking my formatting process. So from here now see, there is only simple markup, but if you want to see all markup, you can choose these options. Now see, there are four markup, and it's showing. And from here, if you want to don't want to show the markup, you have to choose no markup, but still there is a markup, right? But if you want to see your original document, you can choose these options from original. And from the show markup also, there are lots of options available. One is comments, one is and another is ink, another is insertion and deletions, and another is formatting. And from here you can also customize this one. From the comment, see, there are, if you want to disable that one, just you have to click in the comments and you can disable that one. And from the review pane, you can see how many formatting you are using. And from here, from the accept and reject available. If you want to accept that comments, it will not be removed, but if you reject this one, it will be removed, right? But if you want to in the formatting, if you want to if you accept this one, it will be removed, but it will work like the opposite things. And another option, previous, next, is the same like before. And another options, compare. If you want to compare two documents, in that case you can use this one. So just wait for a minute, I'm comparing two documents here. I think there is a document here. So from here I am choosing this one, Bermuda. Another document also I am using this one here. Just wait for a moment. and I think I need to use this one, CSS code border. Okay, now see there are two documents available inside my compare documents window, and just you have to click in the OK. Now see it will start to compare, right? So it's already compared that document, and I think if you want to compare this one, it will be useful, but I think it is not very useful options to us also. And another options available, combine. If you want to combine two document, in that case you have to use combine, and from here you have to choose one document. First of all, I will select this one and open, and just I'll go in another document also, and from here I'll select another document. Now see there, sorry, I need to choose another. Now see there is two document available inside my combined documents, and after this you have to click in the OK. Now see the my two documents is combined, and I think it is if you want to combine your two document, in that case you can use this one. So another option is restrict editing. It is one of the most important features of Microsoft Word. So when you are working in important document, in that case sometime if you have if you have some other work, in that case you can use the password in your document. Just you have to go in restrict editing, and in that and after that you have to tick in every box. Just wait for a moment. I am giving a tick, and after this you have to click in the yes, start increasing protection, and it's asking us the password. So I am giving the password 123, and here also I'll give the password 123, and after this just click in the OK. Now see there is a password. If somebody want to delete this one, it will not work because there is a password, right? So it's one of the useful options for us also. If you are working in very important document, in that case it will be very useful. And if you want to remove that protection, just go to any stop protection, and from here you have to use the password and 123, and just remove all the ticks from here also and make it no. Okay, now it's done. So hoping you understand about the review menu also, and if you have any kind of confusion about review menu, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you are beginner in Microsoft Word, you can check my previous video also, which is related with Microsoft Word. You can check my playlist also to know about more Microsoft Word. So thank you so much for once again, and I'll meet with you on another video. Thank you so much. Goodbye. See you again.